Hi, I'm An Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Guided Gaming Company. I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on cut and extrude. Um, so I'll go to my folder, file, um, how to uh, extrude, how to cut on this side, like straight on the x-axis. You go and use diagonal on this. You can't cut straight with this, with over 2. Also diagonal a little bit, like right now. You cut diagonal. You want to cut straight, then unless you use one down, then that can cut straight, but because it's odd number. I mean, centered line, not odd number. But so what you do is um, so what you do is uh, oh yeah, now I remember. Um, so what you do is still the same. Uh, um, but instead of that, you you do this first, then select outside, and then select vertex. Well, this is how it cuts all the way through. But let me undo it first because I need to explain that the knife tool does not always cut straight. It's like um when you click here and then click C to cut straight, it's kind of annoying because then click enter because it does not cut all the way through. So what you do is undo Control Z, go to this and cut both lines, and select vertex, select one on the side. It'll be evenly match with the other side, left and right on the x-axis by shrinking a little bit so it starts straight up, and it has to go down here 0. So now it's straight, and 0 is straight. Before I use the knife to click C to do straight, but now Before I can't cut all the way through, but now I can cut all the way through with the 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 cut loop thingy. But the knife tool is just only cut in front, so it's hitting C to cut straight within 4 to 5 degrees. So that's how it works. And well, for another example, well, before that thing is to create a staircase to extrude it. But now I'll hide this thing. I'll show you how to cut, kind of like cut. Uh, Go back to object mode. Click add mesh cylinder. Always use triangle because it needs to be tried or quads to UV map it properly. Maybe 16 because you have to 3D model properly, try and go or quads most likely as possible. There's more details, but it's too much angles, then you got problem 3D modeling because you always have to have quads and keep it as triangle and quads. This is triangle and quads is 4 angles and 4 sides. So how to cut circle, inner circle down here is you don't you don't use knife, you don't use hello tubers, it never works. You see there's one dot here and it gives an error. I cut somewhere else. As I cut like 2 lines down here and make a triangle kind of line here. It gives an error. But let me show it to you. I might can if I use cut loop tool, like it doesn't cut properly. So what you do, it's hard to show it to you because I don't remember how I've seen it, but it doesn't cut properly. So what you do is kind of extrusion instead. Maybe you can select the bottom if you like or separately, one on the side. And extruder is considered as cutting it because 3D Blender is free software for commercial use. Then it should be always not that good. So there's UV mapping it. It's not that perfect. And well, especially for character rigging more detailedly, it's not that good as well. Like character rigging is like almost like Mega Man kind of thing, or Simple Spider, not like Transformers or anything. Only Maya LT or my 3D Maya from Autodesk will be good at rigging, but 3D Blender is no good at rigging unless you're that famous at Python coding, which is barely possible. Because I think 3D Blender always takes the um, hard way or no way, easy way almost. Unless something easy that at least works for in the game. So what we do is extrude it and right mouse click to undo it. Moving offset for click the blue one and shrinks. So this is considered as cutting loop tool. So if I'm gonna cut the center and evenly down here as well, but you don't need to do it here sometimes. So I finished my YouTube tutorial. So thank you.